In recent years, many developed nations have seen a number of economic trends intensify. Firstly, the trend towards de-industrialisation has continued and become more apparent. Factories and heavy industry have closed all across countries from the USA to Western Europe and Australia. This has seen huge job losses in traditional industries and economic changes. At the same time, consumption has increased almost non-stop, and this means the vast majority of our goods come from other countries, and in particular China. Whilst this may improve the air and water quality in those formerly industrial nations, it does create real problems for recycling. Recycling is basically processing a material so that it can be used again to form another product. In simple terms, an aluminium drinks can be recycled into another aluminium can or another aluminium item. This works efficiently if the plant making the aluminium cans is next door to the recycling plant. If the manufacturing site, however, is thousands of kilometres away across an ocean from the recycling plant, it is clearly much less efficient. For example, Australia now has no car manufacturing and limited manufacturing of any kind. This basically means that when we recycle many items, it would need to be shipped overseas to actually be used. Obvious problems with this are that shipping materials overseas will cost considerable sums for transport and logistics. In many cases, this cost may be higher than the actual value of the material. This makes it harder and harder to actually find someone willing to take the material, and makes the financial argument for recycling much more difficult. If you operate a Chinese factory, why would you import recycled materials from Western countries when you have a ready supply already domestically? This issue was one reason why China greatly clamped down on the importation of recycling materials in recent years, and brought the major flaw in many developed nations' recycling to light. What is the solution to this? Let's be honest, it is hard to say. I cannot see any developed nation with a joined-up reindustrialisation program. So, to use a metaphor, it looks and feels like the can is being kicked down the road for a while longer. For lots more recycling info, visit us at waster.com.au and like and subscribe below.